Guys, it's day whatever, and I'm so excited because it's beautiful. It's sunny out. I got home at a relatively good time, so I think we can get a lot done today. And I'm super stoked too because, well, there's construction going on in my house right now and they just installed my bathtub, so yay me. But also, I'm just excited. I'm excited to keep working. I'm feeling happy. This stayed out here for 2 days. It was winding, LOL. It was windy and raining and it just stayed sound. It didn't move a muscle, so it just makes me feel good about how solid it is. I'm so excited. So we're gonna do some sanding. We're gonna cut wood. I feel like that should be a dirty joke, but I don't know how cut wood. I can hear every woodworker crying from here. What are you doing? That's not the way you should do it. Well, I'm just a girl. Oh man, why is this so scary to me? Hey, that one's in. Pushing that a little. Let it go. Okay. Oops. Ooh. My saw came off kilter. You see that? Interesting. I don't know why. Okay. Not good. No. Well, guys, that doesn't work. I think my dimensions may be slightly off. I should be wearing these, especially when my blade's not working very well. My husband would kill me if he knew. Wow. So glad I put these glasses on. That spit at me so much more forcefully than it ever has. Okay, much better. Much, much better. So 57.25 is what I need. Lord, please protect me. Oh, please, please protect me. Okay, before we carry on, because the next is going to be the top board, I have to sand this down and paint the pieces that are not painted just to make sure that it's weatherproofed before I put something on top of it. So let's do that first and then we'll keep going. This painting style is called I Refuse to Do Better. That's it for tonight, guys. See you tomorrow.